checking out the new rain cosmetics because it said rain. Hey, here you go. Here you go. Ready? Monkey. Oh, my bad. Hey, let's go. Now, I already have this stuff, but like, okay. Hold on, I gotta.
See, the rain is nice, but I don't really like getting wet.
Okay. We got this one. And then we got this one. Egg. Okay, you can't see the egg. Okay, hold on. Egg. And that's really it, to be honest. Cave. Let's go. Wait, no. Are you serious? Okay. Did they patch that one glitch? Okay, I'll use my rose. Wait, did they patch it? No, they patched it. Okay, I'll put a picture on the screen of what that looked like. Yeah. Ready? That's really it. Like and subscribe. Monkey. Duke.